My main studio is upstairs. If we jump out of the window, we are in the backyard. That's my bike. Now we are entering the workshop, which is more studio than workshop nowadays. Several guitar parts are still waiting in the morning sun to be assembled. And there is more. This video is about how you set up a professional studio for a little money. I start with a computer, which is so old that it costed nothing. Inside the computer, there is an RME Hammerfall Soundcard, 16 channels in, 16 channels out. It's the same age as the computer. I paid 40 euros. With optical cables, the soundcard is connected to the Yamaha O2R. After Windows 7, this soundcard is not supported, that's why it was so cheap. The two screens were also part of the computer setup. A controller like this is about 40 euros new. This computer is not connected to the internet. It's running Windows Vista. There is only software installed on the computer that is needed to run the studio. In this case, it's Cubase 5, as old as the computer. The whole setup is made for each other. This version of Cubase was also free. It's a crack. I started with this and now I'm working with Cubase 12 Pro. But I still use this computer downstairs. If you open a project, you can do your setups. You see that it's already connected to the sound card. I have assigned 4 inputs and 16 outputs. Here you can assign your controller. The controller is an easy tool, but you don't really need it. What you do need is a lot of preamps for your in and outputs. This is the output of the sound card, and it's going in the ADAT of the Yamaha O2R. So now the whole thing is connected. The ADATs are inserted in slots 1 and 2 and set to 24-bit mode. So I have 8 channels in and out instead of 16 channels in and out. For me, that's enough. You can see here that tape 1 to 16 is activated. The tape section is on top, but if you press flip, you have them on the bottom row and on your faders. I bought this Yamaha O2R with a TC Unity card and a meter bridge, 2 8-head insert cards for €375, which is not much. So if you have a band, 4 or 5 people, you pay €100 each and you have a professional studio. You can also use an old amplifier with big boxes instead of these monitor speakers. If you go to Amsterdam and you park your car, you go to an establishment, you order 2 cappuccinos, 2 pieces of apple pie with whipped cream, a glass of water, it costs you €100. So, make your own coffee, don't go to Amsterdam, forget about the apple pie, and you have the money for your studio. Instead of the O2R, you can also use an 8-head from Behringer. It's about €50 second hand. And then you have 8 preamps. But the O2R enables you to make very nice recordings and very nice mixes. It's a distribution center for sound. Old, but not broken.